Okay, today I want to review Module 2, Lesson 13, which you should have learned with Mrs. Gupta on Thursday, October 25th. The learning goal for this lesson is to be able to use multiplication to convert units of measurement, changing a measurement from one unit to another unit. For the problem of the day, we're trying to find out if we know the giraffe is 4.6 meters, we want to find out how many centimeters that is. In order to do this conversion, you need to know that there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Okay, so whenever we do conversions, we're going to always follow the same pattern. We're going to take our original number, 4.6. We're going to say that 4.6 meters is 4.6 copies of 1 meter. We're going to put the 1 meter in parentheses because it will help us with our conversions. We're going to say that this is equal to 4.6 copies, and in parentheses I want to write whatever is equivalent or the same to 1 meter. We know that 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeters. So again, I want to point out that the thing that's in the parentheses is equivalent. 1 meter is exactly the same length as 100 centimeters. So 4.6 copies of 1 meter is exactly the same as 4.6 copies of 100 centimeters. Then we just need to multiply. We know that when we multiply by 100, the digits shift to the left, or another way to say that is the decimal point shifts to the right. So we have to shift it 2 times to the right, and so our answer is 460 centimeters. For this problem, we want to find out how many days are in 3 weeks. So again, we're going to start out by writing 3 weeks is the same thing as 3 copies of 1 week, which is the same thing as 3 copies of 7 days. Again, notice what is in the parentheses. 1 week is equivalent to 7 days. What is in the parentheses in both cases is equivalent. Then we just need to multiply. 3 times 7 is 21. So 3 weeks is equivalent to 21 days. 1.05 meters is the same as how many centimeters? Well, let's follow the same pattern. We start by writing the same number, 1.05 copies of 1 meter. Then we keep the same number down here, 1.05, but we want to write with our new unit, centimeters, what is equivalent to 1 meter? Well, it's 100 centimeters. Now I just multiply. 1.05 times 100 is the same as 105 centimeters. So therefore, 1.05 meters is equivalent to 105 centimeters.